Hello, now let us start. Formula, the roots, value of x in this quadratic equation. See, you know the formula, standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and we write the condition a is not equal to 0. Now how to solve this? How to find roots of this? Roots means zeros of the equation. Zeros or roots or value of x all means same. Here we are going to find out the value of x. Okay? That is called Sridhar Acharya's formula. Who discovered this? Sridhar Acharya. Remember. So, roots of the equation that is called zeros of the equation is derived by Sridhar Acharya. Okay, now see, during this derivation, Sridhar Acharya's derivation is too long. Here we explain it in very short. So during this, he found one term which repeats continuously, which we call repeating term. So he gave a name of this repeating term, that is called discriminant. In maths, discriminant means, in your language I can say that it is the central idea, okay, the core portion of this. So this repeating term is known as discriminant, which is denoted as D, or sometimes it is also denoted as delta. This triangle sign is called delta. And D is B square minus 4AC. Means this term repeats again and again. So Sridhar Acharya gave its name D. That is discriminant. Discriminant means central or core part of this derivation. Now see, solution is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. This is our question. Now we want b square minus 4ac, that is equals to d, that is discriminant. We want to use it. Okay? So how to get b square, how to get 4ac? So you have to remember two steps. See, the first step is what? Multiply both sides by 4a. If you multiply it by 4a, this will be what? 4a square x square, 4abx plus 4ac, 0 into 4a, 0. Now 4ac is here. Is it okay? Now I want b square. So by adding b square on both sides. B square on both sides. 4a square x square, 4abx plus 4ac plus b square. Here also 0 plus b square is b square, addition. Now take this 4ac this side. This will be 4a square x square, 4abx plus b square. Take plus 4ac other side, b square minus 4ac. Now we can apply b square minus 4ac means discriminant. And see the left side. Left side is the perfect square. A square square root is a, x square square root is x, b square square root is b, 4 square root is 2, and 2 always extra in the middle term. So 2 2s are 4. Right? So this is the perfect square of which term? A plus b the whole square. Square root of first term is 2ax. Sign of middle term, no need to write middle term. square root of b square is b, the whole square equals to b square minus 4ac is called d. Now square move other side, it will be square root. So here maybe square root plus, maybe minus. Plus or minus root d. Plus b move other side, minus b, plus minus root d. 2a is in multiplication, take other side, it will be in division. So now this is the solution, means value of x with which the equation is satisfied. If you place the value of x in this equation, then this plus this will be 0. But here see the value of x. Value of x contains two terms, minus b plus or minus root d upon 2a. So for our conveniency, we take 1 plus is alpha, minus is beta. You can take minus is alpha, you can take plus is beta. This is up to you. But here we take, let roots of the equation, roots are alpha equals to minus b plus root d upon 2a and beta equals to minus b minus root d upon 2a. One time plus, one time minus, we separate it. We call plus term is alpha and minus is beta. Is it okay? Now again, from this, remember this thing, you can take a snapshot also of this. I will going to rub it. See, after that, what are the sum of roots? What are the product of roots? See, sum of roots means alpha plus beta. Product of roots means alpha into beta. See what happens. Remember this thing that sometimes in board exam, this theory will, it may be asked. Okay, that find the solution of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. You have to write up to this. One time it would ask that find the solution of quadratic equation and also find alpha plus beta, that is sum of roots. See. See, sum of roots means alpha plus beta. Alpha is what? Minus b plus root d upon 2a plus beta is minus b minus root d upon 2a. Addition of this gives you what? Simplify. Take LCM, 2a. Both the denominator has 2a, no need to multiply. So first numerator keep it as it is, and the second numerator also keep it as it is, minus b minus root d. Plus root d and minus root d is cancel, minus b is minus 2b upon 2a. 2 cancel, minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. You can relate it with polynomial. Have you remember in polynomial also that would be alpha plus beta minus b upon a. Now product of roots. That is alpha into beta. See, alpha into beta. Alpha is minus b plus root d upon 2a. Beta is minus b minus root d upon 2a. Product. See, in the numerator, it is just like a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. A square minus b square upon denominator 2a into 2a, 4a square. Open the bracket, minus square is always plus, so b square, square and square root cancel, so d upon 4a square. B square minus, you know the value of d is called discriminant, and the formula of d is b square minus 4ac, remember this, upon 4a square. Now again open the bracket, b square minus b square plus 4ac upon 4a square, plus b square and minus b square is cancelled, 4ac upon 4a square. 4 cancel, 1 time a cancel. So alpha into beta equal to c upon a. You can relate with polynomial alpha beta, c upon a, constant term upon coefficient of x square. Have you remember? Yes. So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, alpha beta is c upon a. Okay, this is the derivation. Now from this derivation, sometime very tricky and hatke objective will ask. See, how is it possible? Remember these two things. Okay, sum of the root is alpha plus beta minus b upon a. Product of the root is alpha into beta c upon a. Now see. Suppose question is given like this. If equation x square minus k plus 1 into x plus 4 equals to 0 has opposite roots to each other. Opposite roots. Then find k. Okay, I write the question from my mind, right? So this type of question will ask. Equation is given. If equation has two opposite roots, you know that this is quadratic, only single variable is there, right? If there is single variable, then we can judge that yes, it is quadratic and the highest power is 2. Now roots means alpha and beta. Now roots are opposite to each other. Opposite means, in maths, opposite means signs are different. Means if alpha is plus 5, we can write beta is minus 5. Both are opposite roots. In maths, opposite means positive and negative, plus sign and minus sign. See, if roots are positive, we can derive what? See, if roots are opposite to each other, I can write alpha plus beta equal to what? 0. As I told you that alpha, if you take plus 5, beta is opposite to each, that is minus 5. So alpha plus beta, 5 minus 5 is 0. Now you know the derivation, you know the formula of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, and that is equals to 0. If you take a this side, then minus b equals to a into 0, 0. Take minus sign other side, 0 has no sign, so I can write b equal to 0. Now see the equation. In the given equation, what is the position of b? B is the coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is what? Minus into bracket k plus 1 equal to 0. Open this. Minus k minus 1 equals to 0. So minus k equal to minus 1, move other side, plus 1. And if you take minus this side, then k equal to what? Minus 1. In this way you can find it. Right? If 2 mark question. If only objective single 1 mark question is there, then you have to remember if roots are opposite to each other, then remember always b equals to 0. No need to simplify this. This is not important. Remember b equal to 0 only when roots are opposite to each other. And then place the value k plus 1 equal to 0. So k equal to minus 1. Right? Same manner for the product. Suppose the equation is given like this. If 6x square plus 2x plus k equal to 0, equation has reciprocal roots to each other. Then find k. Okay? Again, I said that the question is from my mind. Now see, roots are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal means what? If alpha is 5, then beta is 1 upon 5, reciprocal of 5. again alpha is 5, beta is reciprocal, that is 1 upon 5. Then what is the product of alpha and beta? 5 into 1 upon 5 is what? 1. Means here the rule is what? If roots are reciprocal to each other, then we can write alpha into beta is 1. Let alpha 5, beta reciprocal 1 upon 5, 5 cancel, so alpha beta is 1. But we know the formula, alpha beta is what? C upon A equal to 1. Take A this side, then C equal to A 1 A. Means C and A must be same. If roots are reciprocal, remember C equals to A. Here in the equation, C is what? Constant term is K, and A is what? Coefficient of x square, so 6. So what is the value of K? 6. Means from this you can directly derive. Without any calculation also you can orally do this in objective. So please remember, this is not given in your textbook, but it may ask in your board exam. So please be alert. Now other theory. Nature of the roots. Nature of the roots, without finding the roots, without finding the answer, without finding the values of x, without finding alpha and beta, how can you say that which type of answer is this? See some tips. First, find out discriminant D. You know that D equals to B square minus 4AC. Equation is given. From this equation, you know A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x, and C is the constant term. With sign, plus or minus, find out D, B square minus 4AC. And now, if D equals to 0, means if your answer of discriminant is 0, then always remember roots are real and equal. You know real number means maybe positive, maybe negative, maybe 0, maybe fraction, maybe square root. Okay? So if D is 0, then roots are real and equal. Equal. Please be alert. Equal means your alpha and beta both are same. No need to find other. Suppose if you find alpha, then don't worry about beta. Beta is also the same. And you can write by directly minus B upon 2A because D is 0. So this is the formula. Alpha and beta are same, that is equals to minus B upon 2A. If D is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct means different. Alpha and beta are different. You must have to find alpha and beta. Okay? If D is greater than 0, means positive. And if D is less than 0, then real roots are not possible. See, D is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. If answer of discriminant is negative, then no need to find out roots, because real roots are not possible. So you have to leave the sum at that time. Is it okay? If square root of D is integer, positive integer, rather I should write, if it is positive integer, then roots are rational. And if root D is non-integer, then we can write roots are irrational. Is it okay? This is about nature of roots. And the last is form equation. Form an equation from roots. Suppose roots are given, means answer is given. Alpha and beta are given. Suppose alpha is 3 and beta is 2. How can you say that this answer is from which question? Which equation? There is also a technique. See, you know the standard form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay? You know alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. You know alpha into beta is c upon a. If you divide these three terms by a, what happens? See, divide each term by a. Ax square upon a, bx upon a, c upon a, 0 divided by anything, 0. So a will be cancelled. Here it is x square, b upon a into x plus c upon a. Can I modify it like this? Plus means minus b upon a into x plus c upon a equal to 0. Minus will be plus. Now I can place the minus b upon a means what? Alpha plus beta into x, and c upon a is what? Alpha into beta. Okay, so place your alpha and beta, means place your roots in this equation. You will find your question, your equation. Can you relate with polynomial? Yes. In polynomial also we write x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the derivation of this. Okay, so here your theory part is finished. Remaining is only exercise 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4. Write down all this thing and you have to learn this. Okay, solution of formula is also important. Sridhar Acharya's perfect square method is also important. So please be alert in this theory. Write down 2 times and learn it. That's it.